Let's create this curved carousel automatic scroll. I already put the images in an auto layout frame and then put the auto layout frame in another frame and rename it. Clip content and move the frame into the design frame. Measure out the image frame with the grid settings you have. Duplicate the frame. Select the auto layout frame inside the main frame and move to the left until you align the image with the other one. Make sure to align the images properly. You can use the rulers as a guide. Select both frames and make them a component set. We'll add a prototype settings later. Draw an ellipse over the images. Change the color to the background color and duplicate the ellipse. This creates a curve illusion. Duplicate the ellipse again. Change the color. Add a stroke and adjust the thickness to 2px. Remove the fill color. Double-click on the ellipse and delete the top to create a curved line. Duplicate the curved line and move it down. Flip it over and align properly. Add prototype settings like above. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.